The Lok Sabha on August 11th passed two bills without debate as the opposition continued its protest, demanding Union Home Minister Amit Shah's presence in the House over the police action against student protesters in Delhi on July 20th. One of the bills seeks to officially rename Kerala as Keralam. The House was adjourned soon after the bills were passed. The deadlock continued despite the government offering on August 10th to hold a discussion on student and youth agitations across states, with a response from Amit Shah. However, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge have insisted that Shah must specifically address the alleged use of pellet guns against students during the July 20th protest. The Congress has also demanded a discussion on the alleged misappropriation of Ram Temple funds and an apology from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Speaker Om Birla expressed concern over repeated disruptions and urged both sides to find common ground so that Parliament could debate bills involving far-reaching changes in the country. Meanwhile, in the Rajya Sabha, a phrase used by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman against the Communist parties was expunged from the records. The remarks were made during her reply on August 10th to the debate on the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026. Sitharaman had also accused CPIM member John Prittas of spreading confusion and misinformation over the bill and UPI charges.